I was recently asked, what's one thing that I should never do during escrow to purchase a home? Gosh, there are so many of them, but I'll give you what I think is the most important number one thing. It is that you do not take out any additional debt for any reason while you're in escrow. Now, that's a big blanket statement, but let me dig into it a little bit deeper. So additional debt could be as simple as going down to Best Buy and looking at a washer and dryer set that you need and you want for your new home, and it just so happens to be the Veterans Day sale, so you just so happen to apply for their 0% credit card, and you buy that washer and dryer, and you're like super excited because you got a great deal. It was on sale and it's at 0%. But guess what? The mortgage lender who's working on your loan is going to be notified of that just before closing. And then we're going to have to reconfigure your entire loan underwrite based on you adding more debt. That is a big, big no-no. So most people know don't buy a car, don't co-sign for somebody, don't do those type of things. But it could be as simple as implementing 0% financing on furniture, appliances that could literally wreck your purchase of your home. So don't do this under any circumstances. If you have more questions, make sure you ask your loan officer directly during the